Good morning folks, Gary here from Splat Lawyers Racing for Splat Lawyers, sponsors of Tour de Brisbane 2020. And today on Splat Lawyers TV, we're going to kick off a new series on bike maintenance. And I'm joined today by Paul Bowden from Road Bike Rescue. Good morning.
Gary, how are you?
Good, bud, good. So what are we going to be looking at today?
Today, we're doing the basics of Drivetrain. What do you need to do to keep it working well? What do you need to do once it's no longer working well?
Fantastic, let's jump into it.
Okay, first thing to think about with your chain is how long does it last? How do I make it last longer? And when it's gone, how do I know? Let's start with the opposite end. When a chain is pretty much spent, you've got multiple ways of doing it. You can get a particular tool, which is a chain checker. Most people won't have that, so how do I check it without that? So I come down here, put on the big chain ring and pull the chain. If you can see a lot of daylight between the chain and the chain ring, chances are your chain is well on its way to being worn out. It should just about be glued on there. Next thing from there is we look at, okay, how do we keep the chain lasting longer? Well, that is keeping it clean. If you're in a hurry to wipe it down, you can use a wet rag with a bit of oil in it. You can use what I use, the good old humble baby wipe, and you can place it underneath the bottom of the bike like so and pedaling backwards. So that's one way of doing it, and you do top and bottom. A little bit of pressure, you don't need to push hard. Now if you find that your chain is really glugged up and not becoming clean, you can simply grab some of your regular chain lubricant and give it a bit of a dousing of that. And what you'll find is it will start to come off a lot easier. So you can use your chain lube as a form of cleaner. Just by keeping your chain cleaner will reduce the wear and tear on your drivetrain.
There you have it folks, a tip from the pros as to how to keep your chain and drivetrain in top condition for the Tour de Brisbane. Now entries are open now, so jump on to tourdebrisbane.org. Early bird entries are open for the 5th of April 2020. We'll see you on the start line, and remember, if you need anything to do with bike maintenance, go and check out Paul's Road Bike Rescue at Road Bike Rescue on Facebook. We'll see you next time for Splat Lawyers TV.